After more than 5 decades of thrilling splashes and joyous laughter, Busch Gardens Tampa Bay is preparing to bid farewell to one of its most iconic attractions, the Stanley Falls Flume. This ride has been a cornerstone of the park since its grand opening in 1973, captivating visitors with its refreshing rush and family-friendly excitement. But here's where it gets controversial. Closing a beloved classic like this sparks a Imagine the end of such an enduring attraction. Almost unimaginable for those who grew up with it as a staple experience. What's still a mystery, though, is what will rise in its place. Busch Gardens representatives hint that the closure of the Stanley Falls Flume is paving the way for an exciting new future attraction, but the specifics remain under wraps. This lack of detail leaves guests wondering if the new ride will capture the same charm and nostalgic appeal, or if it will veer towards a more modern, high-tech experience. This is the part most people miss. The delicate balance parks must strike between honoring tradition and embracing innovation. This development opens up some compelling questions. Should theme parks preserve beloved classic rides at all costs, or is continual reinvention necessary to stay relevant? Are we losing something irreplaceable each time a long-standing attraction shuts down? We encourage you to share your thoughts. Do you support Busch Gardens' bold move to retire the Stanley Falls Flume, or do you believe some symbols of the past should remain untouched? Let's start a conversation in the comments below. This story was put together based on the official information provided by Busch Gardens Tampa Bay.